fielder on deck. And Braun rips one into left field, a base hit. Here comes Weeks. He will score. And Braun's hit streak continues. 21 in a row for Braun. It produces a run. And the Brewers are within a run here in the third inning.
Yep, a high fastball from Liriano on a 3-2 pitch. And I would imagine Liriano and Joe Mauer thinking that they might have been better off walking him with Prince coming up, the left-handed hitter, the only left-handed hitter in Ron Renicke's lineup. But check it out, 3-2, fastball up, middle inner half, and Ryan able to get the big part of the bat on it and driving a big 2-out run.